So I was recently asked a question about AI and whether or not it's good or right or okay to use AI to create Christian content. And the question was specifically about Christian music, as an example. I wasn't even aware that this was a thing, but apparently people are using AI tools to write music from start to finish, from instruments to vocals. And some people are using it to write it, and then they are singing it themselves, but it's still being written and developed by AI. And so I took a few days to think about this question, and just as it pertains to AI in general, and I put a little blog post together for you at the website scriptureandprophecy.com. And the title of it is, Can Worship Be Written by Machines? A Christian Reflection on AI. And I wanted to share that with you this morning. So if we're going to view song as a form of worship, which in some cases it is, and in other cases it's simply Christian entertainment, then allowing a machine to write or produce it becomes deeply troubling. Even if a real person sings a song, it's still not something inspired by the Spirit. Rather, it's a creation generated from data and algorithms and things that crawl and index and analyze billions of web pages. And even when such songs appear theologically accurate, the deeper concern remains. Over time, this path could lead to one of the greatest apostasies humanity has ever participated in. Not only in music, but in the use of AI for sermons, books, theological arguments, and more. If Christians are so easily convinced to accept and adopt these things without discernment, then the world we are rushing into at breakneck speed should give us great pause. This is not to say that AI has no usefulness. I myself use it for image creation and for editing grammar. In fact, I used ChatGPT to help refine this very blog post and to create the thumbnail image. It took all of about 1 minute. How useful is that? Yet usefulness cannot alone determine righteousness. At some point, a line must be drawn. The difficulty is that the line becomes harder to see with each passing day. My fear is that by the time we finally recognize where it should have been, it would already be too late, if it's not too late already. So in closing, it appears that an AI false god is on the horizon, and the world is all too ready and eager to worship it. Come quickly, Lord Jesus, come quickly, and have mercy on us all. Maranatha.